Aluminum alloy die casting technology is mainly used for large and medium-sized, high-precision aluminum alloy parts manufacturing. Has the following significant advantages: high production efficiency, product size, high complexity, high quality, high material utilization rate. According to the industry demand, process stability. The core advantage is to be able to meet the demand for high-strength, large-sized and complex structural parts of the manufacturing needs, especially in the automotive lightweight, new energy and high-end manufacturing areas have no substitute for competitiveness.